I made this bracket for hanging a box fan in front of this window, but there's a problem. This fan is a little bit out of balance and it just shakes way too much. Let me put this in there to illustrate. So I gotta fix that. Unfortunately, the friction in the bearings is enough that I can't just let it settle towards the bottom. So I need a different strategy. So this kind of negates the friction. And it seems this is the heavy part. Let's put that on this side and see if it comes down the same way. Yep, this is the heavy part. So if this side is heavy, I need to add weight here. So it appears I've added slightly too much weight here. So now substituting this screw, which is a little bit smaller, let's see how that does. Still heavy. I thought that screw looked a bit like a stainless steel screw. The fact that it makes almost no sparks is a dead giveaway. I had to try it a few times and I wore out the threads in that screw because that screw hole is just about the size of the tips of the threads on there, because you don't want to stress plastic too much, it'll crack over time. And it was still too heavy, so I just drilled another hole closer to the center, and that balances it as well as I can. And now with it balanced, I can't really see it shaking. I can hardly feel it. Let's stick this in there. You can see it shaking a tiny bit, but just a tiny bit. And this is for sucking warm air out of the house so that cooler comes in the bedroom windows at night and in the morning before it gets warm.